Yeah, and we have to congratulate the first coaches and the first team.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the winners and the delegates for the day of the 2026 CONCACAF Series. CONCACAF, thank you for your support and enjoy the game.
Tim, chaval, ano pinagagawa mo? Good. Yakult.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem.
Jamari, come on, stop for the second ball.
Start, boys, good start.
Hey, Steven.
Steven, you know, yeah.
Stop.
Wait, Steven, wait.
Jamari, touch it. No, go deny it. Not yet.
Charlie, they myself, boy.
One support. Go down.
As we don't want to see, no.
Jamal.
Zeno, the angle. Right this side.
Right.
Then coming, boy. We are not in the box, no?
And nobody's with you guys, so yeah, come on.
Jamari, don't move from there. Don't move from there until now you come back.
Yo, sure you not staying, nobody's there. Nobody's there. Yo. Right. No, for you. Charlie, you behind. Micah, you behind him. Charlie in front. Yeah.
Charlie.
Yeah.
Stay right there. Don't move back. Don't move until now.
Go let's come and right.
No, you don't move until they come and
Offside na Zino. Esse é de além offside na Zino.
Run, we lose it, Stephen. Run.
Back, Steven. Get back.
Stephen, take a reach all over the way. Stay. Jamari, touch the line.
Come, Jamari, come now. Fast on that. Don't say where to go. That's what you gotta do. Open up. Right, look in. That's Steven.
Finish shot. Good. Goodbye, Spring. Jamari, touch inside with him until it come in and around. Come on.
Show for the ball, Micah. You need to go and look for the ball, Micah.
Try for the shot.
Give me. Right, Jamari, catch up back on the boy.
Jamal down. Naye.
Rush!
Stephen, run Steve.
Let's go, let's go.
Watch him, man. Run. Right. Good position, brother. Good position in that. Jamal. Pass him on. Nice, Nai.
No. Hold it, guys. Possession. Hold it. Jamari, you. Hold it. Good. Hey, let's go.
Position.
Where's it? Where's the outlet up here? There are 3 men back. Oi!
Ready for the keeper!
Nobody jumping, guys. Nobody jumping. From Nigel, we got attack the corners, man.
Hey, kijk hier! Very good!
Kom, Jamar. Kom nou. Kom lijn.
We're going to do next. Nai! Second ball, man.
Second ball.
Run.
2 pound on the pot here. 2. Jamari right on the papoose, Jen.
Jamali, they're behind your side and watch the height. Get over this, Stevie. Get over there. Get over there. Hey! Good.
Get different rebound, guys.
Nai! Up! Stop! Set it up, Wally. Set it up, Steve, run.
Hey, let me set up a 0. Set it up right at 0.
Come on, brother. Face right.
Maybe we get angry right this time, too. Right?
Jamari, watch it.
Take a step to the right.
Come to him.
That's it. No go. No go. You stay. That's it, man.
You could get. Don't stop, Stevie. You could get. Yeah, brother. You can. Right. Cover.
Who's covering? Oh, thank you.
We're going straight.
Come see the ball.
Right, Salo.
Yeah, that.
No, pero tienen dos en el campo.
But there's the ball. But he go over the ball. He missed the ball. He had the ball. He pushed, but he missed. No, man, look if he missed. He had the ball, so he missed. Come.
Hold again. Good. Hey, Steven. Jamal, what that's not it.
No, Jamari, you go too close to Jamal. Watch. You gotta watch for that ball that's changing. Can't go too close to him. Right.
Always the free.
Jamari, you keep going over too much. I just told you that. Yeah, half and half. Papoose have that. Nothing nobody did have Papoose. Yo, come on,
You mark now.
right.
Papoose. Take the time.
Papoose, you are going to close to Nai and Jamari coming over. Give them space. Nobody on him.
Look free, brother. Look free before him.
Yeah. Play. Standing. Micah, you have to go look for the ball, Micah. Look for the ball, man. You come too high.
Now we get him back in, Charlie. One in front, one behind. Right, that's it. They move until Nai and Tap it down. Go now. Don't move until they stop. Now you stop now.
Martin, let's go.
Stanley, don't make it come back around.
Don't make it come back. Right, that's it.
Go, come on.
Come on, man. Right down. Go half press. Come on. Go half press. Get the right hand.
Put it inside.
Put it inside. Papoose.
Jump with it. Right.
Charlie. You have it. Micah, yeah.
Right, good.
Next side, next side.
Good touch.
Yes.
Nobody. Always want you face it when you run.
No, wait, yeah, turn around.
Right? When they come from Zeno. Steven!
That's it, Pino, that's it. Right, hey, ready? No, Steven, no. No falling, man. Go forward. And look. No falling, all right? Come, Steven, come, get that down already.
Cover! What's going here? Go still, Charlie, you stay. Go! Right.
Next side. Yes,
I'll play long, that's the ball.
Go in there, yalla. Go do it in that banana, Charlie. Daniel.
Charlie, here, pick up your tail.
Right. Keep the press like how you going Zeno. Yes. Go make it come back this side.
Steven! No, Steven!
Go make it come back this side.
So, yeah, leave it down there. Right. Come to it. Yes, get back. Up to it.
Now we go.
One cover.
Cover Nigel. Nigel, cover Babu Steve. Thank you.
I like that speed. Good. Pass. No problem.
Patience, guys. Patience. Yes. Papa, see the high now. Drive up, Papa, see the space, I say.
Steven. Jump right in line with the and there.
No coming back this side. Right. Cover. Time! Jumari. Stop running over the ball. Papoose! Papoose, the man in front of goal, Papoose, steady your feet. Yeah. Nigel, you have to match. Thank you, Jamari. We win it? We win it. Yeah, but Oli Papoose, Oli, yes, now Jamari, Jamari! Too long! Jamari, look at it. Good.
Go again. Go again. Put yourself in the space.
Vaya, four.
We attacking this side, you can't go too far, right?
Touch. Right across the back.
Push inside, brother. Doing good. Right.
Jamari, move up, Jamari! Move up! Nobody marking him. You gotta move up.
Good. Hey.
Go on.
Don't make him Well, we there again.
You testing me, you know. See what you get. Open your body, Jamari, and down the line. Yes, brother.
Ref man. Referee.
Better we do have to throw if we have to. So if we have to.
Touch now.
You spin again, man. You don't see them, give them, man. You don't see them, give them.
Right there.
On them, man. Let go. Push up team.
Jamal, you got too high next time, eh? You're watching now. Yo.
Charlie. Don't go too close to me.
You're okay, don't stop. Don't stop, you're okay. Alright, we on again. Alright? Don't stop.
You okay? Don't stop.
See no
Charlie, let's go. You, Jamari, yours. Good, that's it.
Like you come in, you go hold him again. Go back, go.
Jump. Yeah, Zeno, don't make it come this side. Don't let it come around. Send him. Right. Yes.
Two touch and play. Look for the ball. Go, Micah.
My God.
Go there, you gotta extend.
And you gotta look fit someone, look fit, yeah?
Go, Steve, go. Go.
Right hand.
Go. Still, Steven, still. Yes, still.
Yeah, play.
Good position. Keep it.
Where y'all back here? It's your place. Jumari, start to move up here.
Patient, brother. Patient, man. Big ball.
Papoose, relax, yes. Good. Boy. Charlie, take your time, right? Take your time and knock it the bump up there. Fight a spectacular pass.
Get in line with the
Take your time and knock it shot as you come.
That's it. Twist the body, brother.
That's it. That's it.
Come now, now you walk, yes.
Why you not listen?
One go.
Cover. Talk to the man. Go look for Mike. Go and go look for. Go.
Yeah, always the outside.
Pass him on, Jamal. Right. Good position, Steve. Stay inside with him.
Jumari again. Jumari. Look at Papoose there. Nobody there. Why you going and leaving with 17? Nobody with Papoose. So you just relax. Wide and back the man wide.
Hide it. Watch before you go, Steven. Watch before you go.
Go for the ball, man. Pass it, man. Pass it.
Jumari, come Jumari. Nobody on Papoose. Nobody. So come wider. Nobody on your Papoose. Nobody on you. Right. Now you give it. That's it. One time, look in there. Good, and you go back in position. Get back.
No, but we have to talk to him, brother.
Why use the washroom?
You don't want to use the washroom? Yeah, come look. Charlie, focus on me. Yes. Micah, don't move, Micah, don't move. Don't move until they come back, Micah.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. Substitution for Bonaire at 30 minutes, entering number 11, Cecilio Gerardo, substitute of number 17, Tieng Anthony.
Don't bring them to us, guys. Don't bring them.
Watch your football. You lose it, Steve. Hey.
Good going, guys.
Jamari, Friday.
Friday, yes, right. Go, Jamari, go. What's this? What's this? No. Go for him. Go for him.
Amigo. That's what's all about. Yeah. Huh? Go on.
Yo! The man, hold until the man recover, right?
Hey.
Just run up.
You did it.
Just run up so.
Amigo, tú piensas que el hombre tiene que él está protestando porque él estaba protegiendo el
Who's outside, Jamari?
You have to sprint to the brother. You want to sprint, brother. You have to sprint. Sprint.
No, Jamari. Yes, no.
Take a shot now. We set up.
Back up here. Jamari, what? Get the feel, man. When they tell you about what they feel. Yeah.
You can
Jamal, you don't watch, you have to sprint back and get in position, sprint.
Long time, man. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Go in my car, boy. Go in my car, boy. Go.
Nigel, get back behind me, Nigel.
There we go, Nigel. Get back in position. Let's go, yeah.
Goal for Sudan scored by number 21, Stephen Bell at 27 minutes of the game.
Step outside, don't try and get him in front of his net. Come on! That's it, Mike. Yeah. Stephen. Hey. Let's go, guys. Come on, too easy, man. Come on, guys, we caused that. Yo, Jamari, I will have a kick out the ball sometimes and recover. Boy! Jamari, stop trying for running the ball. Just kick out the ball.
Ladies and gentlemen, goal for Bonaire scored by number 23, Devon Cole at 29 minutes.
Come on, team, too easy. Let's go again, man. Come on, easy, Jay. We just beat them. Yes.
Nino, bisa Felix, Maurice com alta inte llega. Måste han driva med det Felix.
Mario, keep going inside, Mario.
Nah, surely you go to Micah. Micah, you go. Micah. Yo, Micah. Stay inside, Charlie. You just stay. Don't move. Right? Don't move until they get back. Don't make it play, Steven. Jamal, run. Jamal, run. Don't make it play. You have to go back.
Maar we moeten sluiten door te benijden. Ik heb een in de sluiten komen. Dat kan ik gaan maken.
Yellow card card was shown to the player Marcelino Game number 3 of the match at 4 minutes of the game.
Charlie, hello.
Get away, Charlie, get away. Just don't run it. Keep out, stop.
Charlie, someone I don't put on down, Charlie. Come on, team, compose.
Coach, they have to go now. 21, he say go.
Yellow number shows to the player England
Stop it, boy.
Come see me again. Now you see.
No, you have him, yeah.
Now you.
No, you have him. Right. Good, that's it. Unlucky. Come see. Next time, step to your side. Make sure you go to his goal side and not your goal side. Come on, guys. Yo, we can't stay. This way. Watch me, Papoose.
On the field,
No pressure.
on the field of play.
That's not how we want to play.
On the field of play and throw the ball.
Ref, watch again. Watch again, ref.
Same man again.
Same man again. This is 4 times no ref. 4.
The one here was left.
Yeah, you got a carry, ref. You got a carry. Go. Good. Hold again. Relax. Good. Nice.
One gate again, Biel. Second ball,
Yours bad right there, Michael. Yours bad.
Hold again. Hey!
Papoose, you're on him one. No, close, Papoose, close. That's it. Yes. Steady feet. Man, look at it, Papoose. Go bring it up. Come, Steven. Come, Jamal. Come, nobody with you. Go now.
Now, Salomon, he's sick. Back. Oh, so them play on the right side. Down, also play on the right side.
half time has ended with a score 1 for Bonaire and 1 for Stevenson and the Grenadiers.
I go see outside with them guys. Sure. Wait, okay, so I go outside with them. Energy, energy. Energy, energy. Energy. Cover and court me fast, court the cover. Touch him, Olex, touch him. Right, boy, right. Stephen, come around in line with Charlie.
Substitution for Bonaire Academy. For entering number
Aggressive in the nice.
60, Michelle Olana, is substituted out number 6, Routine Michelle.
Charlie, go and get now. Good. Alright, I like this position, brother. Up, nine! Nine!
Yeah, you're facing somebody, give them it simple.
Yeah, right there. 23 gonna come to you. Courtney! Focus on me. Alright?
Charlie's your ball.
Touch your line. Yeah, brother. You get rid of.
Rest.
Running shit. Don't stop.
Inside the box. Crash in. Oh, unlucky Stephen.
Good one, hit. Yeah, nice. Stretch it.
Stephen, you got him again, eh? Again and again.
Bunty.
Alright, you got long, Michael. Let's go. Let's jack Michael. Michael, Zeno, jack one. How far? Yep. Nigel is you. Yeah, you're line. Okay, so we see you pass, you have to.
Up, hey!
Idea. Finish, guys. Don't make it come around, eh?
Get in line with them.
Lock. Yes, good.
Chop in too far back, yeah? One cover.
Yeah.
Like 1,000 you have to make because you understand what they're doing. That's the yellow card. Oi, Alex, don't hold the top with him.
Well, like, score it now, man. Score it now, and score it now, eh? Remember the Chini man me saying in Puerto Rico? You get one of that to them.
Up we going with the centre back and now and them going down there.
Let's play, guys. Let's play. Come on, much times, boy? How much times, referee? Yeah, number 4.
If you are good up to your position, we get down the one. Just follow me, right?
Ref, once again.
Substitution for the
Keep the ball! Keep it here, keep it! Right.
Right there, yeah, good, nice.
Is substituted out number 80, Divine China.
One to one, you know, them they can't stop you. 1 to 1, get them, brother. Yeah.
What are they going to do? But go check real people.
Yes, brother. Good ranking, still ranking. Good. I like the line up. Want to touch the line. Good. Try it, no man. Try it. Bring it.
Right.
Darling Chamari.
Good, your corner. Good corner. That's it, Courtney. Good.
Hey. Good, Mari.
Charlie, how you doing?
Charlie. Hey, free boy. Charlie.
Right there. Where we going back for? Right there. No, we go against Courtney. Move up, buddy.
Don't chop no more. Go right there. Go the line.
No.
Don't chop
Next
no more.
set. Go over, Long it coming.
Go inside here. That's right there, brother. That's right.
Come, Mike, you want to look straight. Don't want to close them, though. Don't want to close it up.
Yeah, check.
That's
que define aí. Tem uma dor assim, aí depois de cargo. Porque se ele não saca lá a Maria, ele se queda pega. O árbitro está aprendendo agora. Não sabe por ele. Porque se não saca a tarjeta, ele se queda pega.
No, pasó. Mira que
Martina! Você pode ir bem ninguém, não diria nem ninguém. Let's go. Got it. Yeah, come in, change neck. Come now.
Which one?
Dimitri.
Spin man and them now, yeah, up night.
Come on, team, let's go, team. You gotta wake up, guys. You gotta wake up.
I get 10, bro.
It's gonna flash me, can't walk.
We're going to up Jamal up.
Watch how long we play with 10 man. Huh? Watch how long.
Nai up, Nai and Jamal. Touch up. Nai,
No?
directly Courtney. Don't move yet.
Lagos Christopher at 57 minutes of the game.
Somebody else, come back.
You just stay inside here. You just stay in the middle. Ready.
come on, let's go. Still our game to win. Let's go.
Nobody trying to
Come on, guys. I'm going in a chair.
Come in the back.
Yeah, I'm going in the back. See, man, big. Watch, 4-5 man in there with 2 of them. 2 of them.
One cover.
Who's covering Courtney?
Courtney. Focus, they must get inside. Hold the line, now you are Campos, Chairman. Don't stop, no monkey. Right. Come inside. One more foot. Around.
Don't come too close to Papoose. Don't come too close to Papoose.
Give me something.
Right there, yeah, right there. Let's put them right there.
Yes, jump with him.
Cover them.
Yes. Now you go inside, go inside. Right.
Fellas, you have to go in the gym chase long. You can't stay outside. Yeah.
Langsung mengatakan gimana saja
We're going in.
Jangan yobal no.
Come on, team, let's go.
Come up, young.
Jack backward. Watch up behind inside. Jack push behind.
Dim ready with the ball, Dim.
Come on, guys, let's sit down and play again. Make it go, make it go! More urgent team, more urgent, guys, come on! Jenny, go! Tommy!
Touch the line.
What's the ball? Walk it, Nigel. Nice, come now. Nigel. Move. Nigel. Boys.
Come on, you can't jump off yourself, bro.
Behind. Micah! Walk up. Steven, walk up, is it? Just catch it 15 to 30 minutes. Just 15 to 30 minutes. No, you don't need to do
Good ball. We're going to do push-up.
The spray.
Thank you.
And we're going up. If you don't go back up line, we're half line. Go. You have to get back, Courtney, you have to get back. We're going there.
Easy.
Touch it.
Substitution for at 73 minutes, entering the game. Number 13, Tyler Clark, is substituted out. Number 15, Micah Joseph. Substitution for St. Vincent and the Grenadines at 73 minutes of the game. Entering the game, number 9, Malcolm Stewart, is substituted out. Number 11, Aziz Solomon.
Come guys, let's fight. No, easy. See my down. Good. Give him back. Good.
Listen.
catch up.
Goal for the Reds, scored by number 20, Chris Williams. 77th minute of the game.
Come team, we gotta go.
Come around. Keep them out there.
Come guys, we gotta keep fighting, guys. We gotta keep fighting to the end. Like 10 minutes to equal like this stage here. Nobody, let's go.
Yeah, bro.
Did it, Bobby. Let's go
Your pass is right this time.
Yeah, people around here, my youth, you can't do everything.
Consistency. And I just feel that, and I know you know that. That referee really fucking pull that. You give it. Sorry. No problem.
Push up!
post, nothing.
Substitution for Bonaire
Inside your line, inside your line.
at 82 minutes, entering the game. Number 21, Fabio Mir, is substituted out. Number 8, Derek Thompson.
Usa por você, vamos querer para ele,
Substitution for Bonaire at 82 minutes of the game, entering number 30, Davin Gopal, is substituted out. Number 20, Christopher Isola.
Now, coach, you just stay more inside.
Nobody. Ah. Come right there again.
You don't put moves up too early.
We can't be complete pass now. Like, no, we don't have to say. Yo!
Yo, okay, come here. Watch here, so what here, so?
Man, a rushy pass. What am I a rushy pass? They put Bobby in this because Bobby do it.
You don't stay in this place. Stay in it. Charlie
Never look forward up to now.
Charlie! Baboons, push them up, baboons!
The sports officer has indicated that 3 minutes will be added.
Courtney, they don't like start to him, Courtney. Okay, go on, give your card to the captain speak to him, brother.
Maximo, be the ball in the game.
It is reported that the red card was shown to the player of St. Vincent and the Grenadines with the number 6, Aiden Charles, at 91 minutes of the game.
They run now. Quick guys, we're gonna take it, go quick.
Hey, pass the game, no man.
Ladies and gentlemen, the match is finished. The final score is 3 for the Red and 1 for the Vincent and the Grenadines. On behalf of CONCACAF, we thank you for attending tonight's CONCACAF Friendly Series match and wish you a safe return home. We hope to see you again at one of our upcoming matches on Sunday. Thank you.